get started. والعربيك سبيكرز كله بيتكلم عربي صح؟ خلاص سيشن عربي. سلام. Salman. Non-Arabic speakers? Non-Arabic? So it will be in English. What are the pillars of blockchain? How blockchain works? This is under the hood. Blockchain in AWS. How AWS define blockchain? We have a couple of technologies covering blockchain on AWS, Amazon Quantum Ledger Database (QLDB) and Amazon Managed Blockchain. We'll have some points highlighting what are these two technologies that AWS imagined that it will cover blockchain use cases end to end. Okay, I think we'll start with the definition. What is blockchain? I got a couple of definitions from the internet. Each definition has its own perspective. First definition, a diary that is almost impossible to forge. Who agree on this definition? Nobody? 2, 3, 4. 4 for the first definition. A decentralized, distributed and public digital ledger that is used to record transactions across many computers. So we have many computers. It has a digital ledger shared, so that any involved record cannot be altered. So all the nodes, all the computers has the same copy from the same ledger, and no one of these nodes can able to alter retroactively without the alteration of all subsequent blocks, because it's a blockchain. So the change in one block, it will alter the subsequent block. Agree with this definition? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. A growing list of records I'm appending called the blocks. So I have blocked and append block to each other, which are linked using cryptography. I'm putting a line under the keywords. Each block contains a cryptographic hash. Who knows the cryptographic hash? The definition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of previous block, a timestamp and the transaction data. So the block, it has cryptographic hash from the previous block plus timestamp and transaction data. Who agreed on this definition? Okay, 2, 3, 4. Still,
this is like this. Yeah.
It's not exceeding 5. Store data in the form of blocks. These blocks are chained together. Who agreed on this? Like. By the way, all are the same. Yes. Okay, it's not. There is no trick. However, each definition has its own perspective. It's like highlighting some characteristics of blockchain. Okay, so we have here like some keywords: decentralized, distributed, cryptography, cryptographic hash, and timestamp. These are like the keywords that identify the blockchain technology other than any technologies before. Okay, anyone wants to add or comments on a definition of the blockchain? Do we understand what is blockchain now? What are the pillars of blockchain technology? Decentralization, transparency, immutability. First, the decentralization. Information is not stored on only single entity. In fact, everyone in the network owns the information. What does it mean? From the definition, in the blockchain technology, we have different computers or different users have the same copy of the same data, right? So this is identify the decentralization. So we have the same copy distributed across different computers. Have the same copy, like in